Meaning of fig leaf.
Fig leaf.
Fig leaf.
Fig leaf.
Fig leaf. A fig leaf is a leaf from a fig tree, typically used to cover a person's genitals in art and literature. The phrase fig leaf is often used figuratively to refer to something that conceals or hides something that is embarrassing or shameful. For example, a company may use a fig leaf of corporate social responsibility to conceal unethical practices. Similarly, a politician may use a fig leaf of patriotism to conceal self-interested actions. Essentially, a fig leaf is a cover-up or a disguise to hide something unpleasant or unsavory.